In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this mask effect in Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. Take the ellipse tool first, right here. Then hold shift key and draw a circle right here like this. Then go to fill, select stroke, then go to stroke, then pick a customized color, then go to stroke size here and set 200, then hit enter. Then take the move tool, then adjust it like this. Press Ctrl and T, reduce the size a little bit. Then hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag to the right hand side. Press Ctrl and T, scale it, reduce the size a little bit. Then take this one stroke, something like 100 pixels, then like this. Then make and adjust it like this. Hold Shift key on your keyboard. Then select the two layer, right click and convert them to a smart object. Then import this image, hold Alt and left click here to create a clipping mask, just like this. Then you can adjust it, then adjust it like this a little bit. Then select the background layer here, go to adjustment layer, then select solid color, then pick your color right here, then hit OK when you're done. Then you can go to effects, then go to drop shadow, then apply these settings right here, just like this. You can see the settings I use right here. Then take a stroke this time around, then apply the settings also, then hit OK. So then you can now adjust the image in this circle like this, just like this. Then now you are going to open the layers, create a new layer over the solid color right here, then switch to foreground color white, then pick the brush tool here. Make sure that you pick the soft round brush right here, then the flow 48, then opacity, then come over here and strike a white like this. So that's it.